Today, we will talk about the use of gadgets, of how they affect our daily lives, why they matter, and what we can do to use them responsibly.
It starts with what we know to be true. Gadgets are everywhere: phones, tablets, laptops. And whether we like it or not, they shape how we live.
Research shows that excessive gadget use can cause eye strain and sleep problems due to prolonged exposure of blue light.
Studies confirm from students now rely on gadgets for more than half of their learning activities. From accessing modules to watching educational videos, gadgets have become a major part of education.
Social media apps and gadgets significantly increase daily screen time, especially among teenagers.
Now that we understand the facts, let's talk about how we view gadget use.
It is important for young people to maintain a healthy balance between digital life and real life. Being online is useful, but it shouldn't replace real conversations and real experience.
Using gadgets responsibly is better than using them without limits. Self-control is more valuable than simply following friends or spending hours scrolling.
It is more worthwhile to use gadgets for learning and productivity than for pure entertainment. While games and videos are fun, using gadgets for growth brings long-term benefits.
Now, let's talk about what we can actually do.
Schools should teach digital literacy and encourage students to limit unnecessary screen time. This helps students build healthy habits early.
Families should set simple rules such as no gadget nor meals or screen time cut off before bedtime. This small action can greatly improve well-being.
Individuals should use built-in tools like screen time trackers or app times to monitor and control their usage. These tools exist and they can help us stay disciplined.
Gadgets are powerful, useful, entertaining, and part of modern life. But like all powerful tools, they must be used wisely.
The facts show that our values tell us what truly matters, and policies guide us toward healthier, smarter choices.